Our planet is a world of water. The oceans cover most of its surface, a vast blue expanse that holds secrets. We have explored the moon more thoroughly than our deepest seas. Imagine a place where sunlight has never reached. A place of crushing pressure, a place of freezing cold. This is the deep ocean, a realm of utter darkness, a world that seems alien yet teeming with life. Creatures of unimaginable form and function drift silently, the last great wilderness on Earth, a place of profound mystery and wonder. Down here, thousands of meters below the surface, the rules of life are completely different. The pressure is immense, enough to crush a submarine like a tin can. The water is near freezing, biting cold, and there is no light, not a single photon from the sun. On the surface of our world, almost all life depends on the sun. Plants use sunlight to create energy. Animals eat the plants. Other animals eat those animals. It is a vast, interconnected chain of life, all powered by our star. But in the deep ocean there is no sun. The sunlight is absorbed by the water long before it can reach these depths. So, how does life exist here? A constant, gentle rain falls from the sunlit waters. This is not water but marine snow. It is a shower of tiny particles of dead plants, dead animals, and waste. It slowly drifts down, down, down into the abyss. For many deep-sea creatures, this is their only source of food. They are scavengers, patiently waiting for these tiny morsels of energy to fall from the sky. It is a slow and patient existence, surviving on the leftovers from a world they will never see. This connection to the surface is a lifeline in the endless dark. Another incredible source of energy comes from the Earth itself. On the ocean floor, there are cracks in the planet's crust called hydrothermal vents. Of all the strange inhabitants of the deep, perhaps none is more famous than the anglerfish. It is a creature of nightmares and of wonder. The female anglerfish is a fearsome hunter. She has a huge mouth, long sharp teeth that point inwards. Once a fish is caught in this trap, there is no escape. Her body is round and soft, designed to withstand the immense pressure of the deep. She has a secret weapon, a marvel of evolution that brings food to her, built for patience and for a sudden deadly strike. Her most remarkable feature is the fishing rod that grows from her head. A long spine dangles a fleshy lure right in front of her mouth. At its tip is a small sac filled with bioluminescent bacteria. It glows. In the absolute darkness of the deep sea, this small flickering light is an irresistible beacon. It has a terrifying name, the vampire squid from hell, but this creature is not a blood-sucking monster. In fact, it is remarkably gentle. Its scientific name, Vampiroteuthis infernalis, was given because of its appearance. It has a dark velvety cloak of skin, black and red, that connects its 8 arms. When threatened, it can pull this cloak over its entire body, turning itself into a spiky ball. It has large, beautiful eyes that can appear red or blue depending on the light. It is not a true squid or an octopus, but a unique creature in its own ancient lineage, a living relic from a bygone era. The vampire squid lives in a part of the ocean called the oxygen minimum zone. Here, oxygen is so low that most other animals cannot survive, but the vampire squid has adapted perfectly. It has a very low metabolic rate, meaning it uses very little energy. It can simply drift, conserving its strength. Deep in the waters off the coast of Japan and other parts of the world, lives a creature that looks like it swam out of prehistoric times. This is the goblin shark. It is sometimes called a living fossil, the last remaining member of an ancient family, 125 million years old. Its appearance is truly bizarre. Long, flat snout like a blade snout protrudes from its head. Its skin is a pale pinkish-gray color, and because it's semi-translucent, you can actually see the blood vessels underneath, giving it this ghostly hue. It's a shark unlike any other. The most shocking feature of the goblin shark is its jaw. But when it attacks, its jaw can catapult forward, extending out from its head to snatch prey. This lightning-fast movement is called slingshot feeding. The jaws shoot out at incredible speed, grabbing fish. Not all creatures of the deep are fearsome. Some are, honestly, just utterly charming. Meet the Dumbo octopus. 2 large, ear-like fins stick out from its head, like Dumbo's ears. When it flaps them, it really looks like it's flying through the water. A graceful, beautiful sight. These are the deepest living octopuses found on the seafloor, down to 7,000 meters. Small, about 20 centimeters long, they come in a variety of colors and shapes. Unlike most octopuses, the Dumbo octopus has no ink sac. In the total darkness of the abyssal plain, ink would be useless. Soft, gelatinous bodies help them withstand crushing pressure. They hover just above the seafloor, propelling with gentle, rhythmic fin flaps. Webbed arms help them steer, or make sudden bursts of speed by pushing water through their funnel, jet propulsion. The Dumbo octopus is a hunter. It glides over the seabed searching for prey. Eats small crustaceans, eats worms. Imagine a fish with a transparent head. It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but it is real. This is the barrel eye fish, also known by its scientific name, Macropinna microstoma. One of the most peculiar and delicate creatures ever discovered in the deep sea. Its most stunning feature is its head, a completely transparent, fluid-filled dome. Through this clear shield you can actually see its internal eyes. The two spots on the front that look like eyes are actually organs of smell, similar to our nostrils. Its real eyes are inside its head. Large, green, tube-shaped structures like barrels. They usually point straight up, looking through the transparent dome. Why up? Because it lives where the tiniest glimmer from the surface can still be seen. For centuries, the deep ocean was a complete mystery. It was a world beyond our reach, a realm of myth and legend. We imagined sea monsters and strange landscapes, but honestly, we had no way of knowing what was truly there. The immense pressure and total darkness made exploration impossible for humans. But in the last few decades, a revolution has occurred. We have built robot explorers. These remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, are our eyes and hands in the deep. They are tethered to a ship on the surface, allowing scientists to see what the robot sees in real time. These ROVs are marvels of engineering. They are built to withstand pressures that would instantly crush a person. They are equipped with powerful lights and high-definition cameras. They have robotic arms that can be controlled with incredible precision. Scientists can use these arms to collect samples of rocks, water, and even living creatures. This allows us to study them up close to analyze their DNA. Our journey into the abyss is coming to an end. We have met just a few of the incredible creatures that call the deep ocean home. We have seen the anglerfish with its glowing lure, the vampire squid with its cloak of light, the goblin shark with its terrifying jaws. These animals are a testament to the power and imagination of nature. They have adapted to an environment that we once thought was lifeless. They have shown us that life can find a way, even in the most extreme conditions. The deep sea is not an empty void. It is a vibrant living world full of wonders. But this hidden world is in danger. Even though it is thousands of meters below the surface, it is not safe from our influence. Pollution, such as plastics, chemical waste, is finding its way down into the deepest trenches. Deep-sea fishing practices like bottom trawling can destroy ancient coral gardens and fragile ecosystems that have taken thousands of years to grow. And now, there is the threat of deep-sea mining, the search for valuable minerals on the ocean floor, which could cause, honestly, unimaginable damage to these pristine habitats before we even understand them. The creatures of the deep are uniquely vulnerable. They grow very slowly.